in Athens for the 1994 UEFA Champions League final. FC Barcelona take on Fabio Capello's AC Milan. Breaks into the penalty area. And it falls kindly to Daniele Massaro from Donadoni. Can he find someone? He certainly can. He's hunting this one down. And it's still Savicevic. By Desailly, and Desailly is still going for Milan. The captain for the day lifts the trophy. The Rossoneri are Europe.
És ezzel gyakorlatilag úgy sikerült nyerni a két meccsen az Ajaxnak, hogy a Milan percben 18 esztendő.
Stiamo a vedere dunque, tutto è pronto. Stadio Olimpico Roma, 41 capisti dell'inserimento. Attenzione, c'è un po' di imprecisione. Ravanelli, attenzione, soluzioni arcuate, proverà l'Ajax, questa conclusione non si sa per quale motivo abbia tirato Peruzzi, di rigore di Davids, parte, attenzione, è parato! Attenzione alla battuta di Ferrara, tiro, gol! Bravo tiro! Peruzzi, parte il tiro, attenzione, gol! Chiare l'angolo, tiro, gol! Bravo! Attenzione! E gol, grande Freddy Padovano, prende la rincorsa, attenzione, gol! E gol! Sono i minuti 80. È parato! Calcio di rigore, attenzione, tiro, e gol!
Ist gekommen. Borussia Dortmund im Champions League Finale gegen Portsmouth. Und Karl-Heinz Riele 1:0 beim Träumen belassen. 2:0 für Borussia. Boksic. Del Piero auf dem Weg zu einem unvergessenen Tor. Die Bogenlampe über.
League-Sieger 1997 heißt Borussia Dortmund.
Juventus are into their third UEFA Champions League final in a row. Beaten might find a teammate back in by Roberto Carlos, and here's the chance. Mijatovic makes it 1-0. It's 1966. Manuel Sanchez lifts the trophy. Back alongside his soulmate. What a night for David Beckham. And what we believe is it's Basler. Oh, deflected and in towards Michael. It's come for Dwight York. Cleared, Geek with a shot. Sheringham! Beckham into Sheringham. And Solskjaer won it! First UEFA Champions League final of the 21st century. Salgado again, and he picks out Morientes. In by Roberto Carlos. Headed away as far as McManaman. Time and space, the Real Madrid player. It's still Raul for 3-0. The second UEFA Champions League title in 3 seasons. And
beaten 2 years ago in the final in Barcelona by Manchester United. From the Dutch official, here comes Mendieta. It is the captain, Stefan Effenberg, who steps up and scores. 2 years to lose a final. First up, Sergio. The Khan after 3 minutes of normal time. Does it again in the shootout. Here he comes, Bayern off and running. Third penalty, and to take it, very Sahovic. Denied by Cards to assume responsibility for Bayern. And he can't. His equaliser in the second half was all important. Scores from this, which he does. Penalty number 6 for Bayern. On his shoulders. But he responds for Bayern. Note. Denied by Kahn. Stefan Effenberg receives the European Cup.
Real Madrid won this competition at Hampden Park in a final 42 years ago. Bernd Schneider with a free kick, and he picks out Lucio for 1-1. Leverkusen are level swiftly to Roberto Carlos. It pops out to Zidane! Fernando Morientes, Raul Gonzalez and Fernando Hierro lifts the trophy. Real Madrid.
Ворота на фоне одной из сверху ни одной угрозы не пришло. Ворота Монегасского. Вот удар и гол. Выходит в штрафную площадку. Пас Деку. Удар. Гол. Надерлея. Номер ниже мяч. Оленичеву. Ну! Есть! Он забил в прошлом году в Кубке УЕФА.
He's onside this time. He's got Crespo in support. Here's there now. Crespo 2-0.
Gonna go down the line.
Look at that from Kaká. And what a pass too for Crespo. And what a goal that is. What a charge down by Cafu. In towards Gerrard. Hit by Smitsa. It's in. It's into Barros. He's laid it off. It's Gerrard. He was hit. Oh, saved by Dina Champion. It's ended! The European Cup is returning to England!
Liverpool have their hands on the European Cup again.
Stand defence looking picture perfect. Like to intrigue and excite. Forward here from Arsenal. It's Thierry Henry who will take it. Campbell's provided here by Larson. And Eto'o, a chance, a goal! Larson and Belletti! He squeezed it in! Goes to Carlos Puyol.
2 years on for the final in Istanbul. Liverpool looks like it will be. Andrea Pirlo to hit! Deflected and in! Wonderful disguise on the pass. Inzaghi has his second. The Pope will be Jermaine Pennant. Deflect on, and there's Dirk Kuyt. AC Milan are champions of Europe once again. 2008 UEFA Champions League final, an all-English affair. Brown and Scholes. Brown will get it in. Ronaldo! Essien for goal. Break to Lampard. Draper. Setting for the 2009 UEFA Champions League final. Samuel Eto'o. Eto'o's turned his man, and Eto'o has squeezed it past Edwin van Xavi. The head of Messi. The 10 UEFA Champions League final is between Inter and Bayern. Milito, Schneider, back to Milito again. Milito twisting, turning, Milito does it again! Syria, who lift the trophy. Inter are the UEFA Champions League winners.
A fitting setting and a rivalry renewed. It's Manchester United against Barcelona. Finding Pedro, and Barca leads! Back to Rooney! To the feet of Messi. Still Lionel Messi! 2-1 Barcelona. Back here to Villa. David Villa! Eric Abidal. An emotional moment.
Thank you, Jeff. Hello again, everyone. Well, Bayern also had this sense of destiny that they would. Muller! As possibly bleak as this. First penalty in the shootout. Long. Here goes Mata. Chelsea look to pet the check again. Desperately, Chelsea need this. Goalkeeper against goalkeeper. And not Chelsea. Again. And Jackson. Goal against Neuer. And he does it. He's going in here. He's done it! The greatest night in the history of Chelsea football club. European champions. They've been
2035 of the UEFA Champions League. It's the all-German affair at the... Robert tries to round the keeper across. It must be in it. Okay, good day. 1-1. They are back left. And now it's Robert from Glory. Love to lift the trophy. The fifth time the Bayern has done so.
Lisbon for Real Madrid and Atletico. Two old city rivals. Fran. Yes, came. And Goni might have scored him. Cristiano Ronaldo delivers La Decima. The year wait is over. And Rakitic. It's spilled as far as Morata. And Juventus. But Suarez. Pedro. Back to Neymar. That's that year again. Barcelona's name on the trophy.
Real Madrid versus Atletico. Pepe ready to make his move on by Bale. And bundled over the line. Mafia. Juan Fran. The level. Right on cue. It's Ronaldo! 2017 UEFA Champions League final. Is Ronaldo. Carvajal. Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Higuain. Mandzukic. Kroos. Casemiro. Madrid. Terrific work by Marcelo. The UEFA Champions League. 79 teams from 54 UEFA associations have been involved in this season's. It's far more straightforward to Laou. That's now delivers the corner kick. Lovren up. And it's been touched in for the... Marcelo. He's got three to pick out. It's the spectacular. It's going. Bale. Oh, he's gone for it! And it's Champions League. What a night in Kiev.
And the teams are on their way to play the biggest football match in the world this year. Spurs and Liverpool waving the flag for England. Salah against Lloris. And he scores! And Liverpool make the push. Tomlin's arm was raised in there. Origi with a chance! And surely that wins it. King to the cop. Our champions of Europe once again.